This is the package as you received. Take the cover off. You can see a card. This is the card with simple instructions. You can scan QR codes for more information. This is the power cable for your PSU. Please pay attention with the electricity of your country. This is the PSU that supply power for your miner. Or you can choose power supply presented by us. It can power 4 box miners at the same time. This little black thing is antenna. Used for receives your Wi-Fi easier. Be careful. It is easy to lose. This silver box is your miner. Please use time to read the image after. The sticker on your miner is SN code for miner. They are unique. Please do not share to others. You can also find one on right corner of your box. Overall, here is the unboxing for Box Miner. You can go to Goldshell official website and find tutorials for install the Box Miner. Once again, thanks for supporting Goldshell. See you next time.